Lights breathing gold on the windshield glow. Heart still shaking from the scene we just survived. Your hand is a quiet little harbor on my arm. Everything slows down, like the world just forgot how to shout tonight. Sirens fade to whispers in the distant rain. All the broken minutes fall behind the car. I thought I was a storm, but I am just a wave rising and fading, trying to kiss the moon and not the scar. Let it all fall down, let it all fall lightly, soft as the dust on your old blue sweater. We are not heroes, we are just better than before. Soft ending for a loud life, soft ending for a loud life forever. Breath in the glass draws a crooked little halo. You trace a clumsy heart like you do not even know. Every small laugh puts a bandage on the silence. I was almost gone. Now I am anchored to the way your eyelids close. What if this is it? No thunder, no grand design, just two tired souls finally fitting in the same quiet line.